Good morning, children. So, let's continue with this chapter, Landscape of the Soul. This is the part 2 of the video, okay? So, this is a story about a Chinese art, okay, which you have to Chinese art, which is very hard to understand, okay, and also the comparison of European and Chinese art. European, the character sketch are already I have told Wu Daozi, Emperor Zong, and Quentin Mist. Okay, these are the characters, three characters. Wu Daozi is a Chinese landscape painter who disappeared in his last painting. Emperor Wu Zong, he's an emperor. He admired Daozi's painting. Okay, and he was an active participant of his painting. And Quentin Misty, he is a 15th century Belgian blacksmith. Okay, blacksmith means blacksmith who changes his profession to become a delicate, realistic painter and to marry the women he loved. So, first the chapter compares European and Chinese painting. It touches various subtles of realities and art. Art is one of the form of expression like poetry, music, and dance. All these forms of expression have an abstract nature as they cannot be defined and have to be felt or experienced. So art is like poetry, okay, which is rhythmic in nature, music, which is melodious, dance, which is very vivacious, active in nature. The chapter has three important areas of discussion. Anecdotes related means to remember, okay, related to Chinese European passion, Taoism, and how one of the philosophical doctrine of Taoism. So the Chinese art focuses on Taoism. Taoism means called Sanqu. Sanqu means male and the female, okay. So anecdote about Chinese painter Wu Daozi. So let's talk about Wu Daozi and his how he painted. The 18th century Chinese Emperor Xingzong commissioned a painter. So the Emperor Xingzong told painter Wu Daozi to paint a landscape. Okay, a landscape means mountains, okay, like trees, clouds. That is called landscape. Okay, basically the picture of nature. When the painting was ready, the emperor was invited to appreciate it. He enjoyed looking at the forest, high mountains, waterfall, clouds, men on hilly paths, birds in flight, etc. depicted in the painting. So the emperor was just a king, okay. He just looked at the outer nature of the surface of the painting, like the mountains, waterfall, hill, path, okay. But the painter was not satisfied. He invited the attention of the emperor towards a cave in the painting. So the painter Wu Daozi wanted the emperor Xingzong to see inside the painting, okay. And he was just emperor, so he just looked down the surface of the painting, okay. And now the painter is telling to look at the cave which is painted on the picture. But the painter was not sad, okay, here towards a cave in the painting, inside which the painter said residing a spirit. The painter clapped his hand, causing the entrance out to the cave. Then the painter said, the inside is splendid, beyond anything word can convey. Please let me show your majesty the way. The painter entered the cave and disappeared. The cave door closed and the painter disappeared from the wall before the emperor could move. So the painting was some kind of magical, okay. When the painter just clapped his hand, the cave in the painting just opened, okay, and he entered, and then on he disappeared, and the emperor was shocked, okay, to see. So anecdotes about the European painter Quentin Misty. So he was a European painter, okay. Landscape means painting of the countryside or rural scenery. Okay, landscape is that. Okay. uh, the 15th century Belgian blacksmith means a skilled person in trade. Okay, blacksmith trade. You can find in the word meaning as well. Okay, what is blacksmith? The 15th century Belgian blacksmith named Quentin Misty fell in love with a painter's daughter. Knowing that her father would not accept him because of his profession, he secretly entered the painter's studio and painted such a realistic fly on the artist panel that the master tried to swat it before he realized that it was not real. Quentin was accepted by the master as an apprentice means person taken to learn a skilled practical trade. Okay, and married his beloved and soon became famous for the realism in painting. Beloved means one who is loved. Realism means quality of art which make it seem real. Okay, so what happened is that there in 15th century, now right now we are in 21st century. In 15th century there was a blacksmith. Okay, his name was Quentin Mists. He fell in love with whom? Painter's daughter. Okay, so the girl's father was a painter. So knowing that her father would not accept a blacksmith, he changed his profession to painter. Okay, and he secretly entered the painter studio and painted such a, so he painted a very realistic kind of a fly. Okay, on the artist man so it was so real that the that the master that the girl's father tried to swat away. Okay, swat away means to fly away. Okay, but it did not flew. So that time he was shocked that the Quentin Miston had made a real paint had made a realistic painting. Okay, and that time that person gave his daughter's hand to Quentin Misty for marriage. Okay, after that he became a famous realism in painting. So this much, and next class I will be continuing with the meaning of the tales.